late night, slow lights. This one's for the voice that touched my soul. Mariah Carey. I fell in love at first sound, Mariah Carey. First note in my heart like lightning. Didn't know your face, just felt your spirit. Heaven in a melody guiding me. Every record felt like a letter. Every run felt personal, true. Mariah Carey, your voice been walking with me. The nights when I didn't know what to do. And I've heard a lot of singers, but ain't nobody moved me that way. Mariah Carey, sing my pain fades like God press play. Mariah Carey, I love you at first sound. At first on my heart fell down. The strangest truth in the way I feel. Your music made my broken reed. Every song so deep, right my soul while the world slept. My souls side by side in time. Avoided now, written in blood. March 26 made me a dreamer. March 27 made you a star. 2 days apart, same season, same sky, no matter how far. Mariah Carey, I ain't crossing lines, just honoring what your heart has done. Your albums raised me, saved me, when I felt like I had none. They say love don't come from speakers, but they don't know what I've been through. Mariah Carey, your voice was a prayer I didn't know I was listening to. Mariah Carey, I love you at first sound. Every high note held me down. I don't confuse love with possession. This is respect wrapped in affection. Mariah Carey, timeless and true. Your voice still feels brand new. If music's a gift from up above, then you've been teaching me love. Great night, low volume. Mariah Carey playing softly. Heart open, lights dim. Your voice still talking to me. I don't reach, I don't claim. I just thank God for the sound. Mariah Carey, your music still turns my whole world around. Oh, Mariah Carey, your tone still feels like home. Every argument, every whisper, never felt alone. And if destiny has time and purpose has a face, then maybe we just share a moment and pass every whisper. With your records, Mariah Carey, from pain to praise to peace. Your voice aged like truth, only got deeper with time, not weak. Now I sing with gratitude, not fantasy, not illusion. Just love for the art that carried me through confusion. Mariah Carey, I loved you at first sound, and I still do every time you come around. No claim, no need, just a heart that knows what real soul music does. Mariah Carey, legend in grace, your voice still feels space. My soul's having time gone, a forever echo in my heart. Mariah Carey, thank you for the music. Thank you for the moments. J Disciple, still listening.